My name's Suzanne.
Suzanne, and why are you sitting like that?
I'm waiting to snowboard.
We are in Val Claret and it just doesn't get better than this. Well, I suppose we could have snow we could see, but with that exception, we've got so much snow, we don't really know what to do with it. It's awesome.
It's 13:33. We're back at base already. Why are we back already, Dave?
Because we got lost and the homing instinct just brought us back here naturally. It's very obvious.
So I think what you wanted to say, Dave, was you're back already so early because they're shutting down the resort. And can we think of
That is
any?
true, though.
And is there any reason why they were shutting down the resort that we're aware of?
There's a puff of wind out there. Actually, we were at the top of Tovier, and it did get a bit interesting at one point. We nearly got blown off the lift just before it got to a comfortable position to actually get off it.
Any response for us?
From the wife?
Yeah.
Yeah, not repeatable.
So
She says to me, if I don't want her to be concerned, then don't send her concerning messages, basically.
and what was the concerning message you just said?
I sent her the weather report that you wanted the screenshot of for the video that says it's very windy and they're closing all the lifts.
So hang on, and you sent that to your wife?
By mistake, yes.
Top work.
Yeah.